Great look for your furniture design. SlideLine M. How can you turn a simple shelf into an attractive furniture? Easily with SlideLine M. The 8mm profile ensures that you have a minimum gap between the door and the cabinet. As we have profile sets in different profile heights, 16mm, 18mm, 22mm and 25mm, you always have a solution without an offset between profile and shelf panel. A special design highlight for SlideLine M is the glued-on full glass door version, as you don't have any fixation points visible in the front. It is possible with SlideLine M to mount doors next to each other or even above each other. You always have open and closed sections in the furniture, and just by sliding the doors in another position you change the design of the furniture. With SlideLine M, maximum convenience is guaranteed. Silent system closes the door soft and gently, in closing direction and in opening direction as well. The damping unit is invisibly integrated in the runner component. That means you don't see any damping component inside the cabinet. And if several doors running next to each other in one profile, SlideLine M provides silent system also in colliding direction. As silent system stops the door soft and gently, the fingers are protected every time. And of course, not only the fingers. If you use high quality door material, like this full glass door for example, the material is protected as well. From now on, it's possible with SlideLine M to close a complete cabinet with 2 doors or even with 3 doors. Besides the overlay one-track profile, SlideLine M offers a 2-track inlay profile as well. That increases the versatility of the system, whether in a kitchen wall unit, in a children's bedroom cabinet, in a sideboard, or even as a clever niche solution. There are nearly no limits in the application of SlideLine M. The fittings means the guiding parts and the running parts are exactly the same as in the one-track version. Means all general advantages of SlideLine M. Of course, you'll have them in the 2-track version as well. Doesn't matter which kind of furniture, SlideLine M has the right solution in the assortment. Whether if you want to close the complete cabinet or just one section of the cabinet, the customer can choose between the overlay one-track profile in 4 different profile heights, 16, 18, 22 and 25mm, with a cover profile in 4 different colors, black, silver, white and champagne. And if the customer wants to close the complete cabinet, he has to choose the new 2-track profile in the screw-on or glued-on version or in the press-in version. For aluminum frame doors and glass doors, SlideLine M provides supplement sets. Depending on the door weight, the customer can choose between 2 damping versions, integrated in the runner part. This enables minimum opening force and perfect damping performance. For price-driven projects, SlideLine M offers a running part without damping as well. Different installation accessories complete the product assortment of SlideLine M. SlideLine M, one system, many applications.